we have to work around the sprinkler system. Right here is the valve box. All the valves to the sprinkler system are in this box. That means all the sprinkler mains, we're going to cross them. I want to show you what the guys did because this is brilliant. This is the right way to use 3-inch pipe. They went ahead, they attached to the 2x3 downspout with our vented cleanout, easy attachment. Hooked a 3-inch pipe to that, one piece, to a catch basin. They went ahead and put fabric underneath the catch basin with some pea stone. They drilled some holes in the catch basin for drainage. Did a really nice job. Watch the 3-inch pipe. It crosses a main. It's over top of a sprinkler main. Crosses another main. It's over top of a main line. Come over here. We have to cross another main. Now, if we tried to use 4-inch pipe, we would have to cut all those sprinkler lines. Basically molest the system. Let's face it, guys, cutting sprinkler lines and then having to put in couplers, I don't care how you do it. It's not the same as a complete line, whether it's PVC or poly. If you can put in an underground buried downspout system and you don't have to cut the sprinkler mains, you're better off for it. This is the correct way to use 3-inch. We've been showing you all year different places that we use 3-inch. It has its place. One downspout on a 3-inch line is going to work flawlessly. If you're not in a tropical storm region, you can put 2 downspouts without a problem. So the guys went ahead. Oh, this is beautiful. This is just some really nice work. They went ahead and cored that concrete, and then they went ahead and filled it in with some self-leveling caulk. Look at that. That is beautiful. Really nice. So they used the 3-inch line again because you can bend it. You could bend it without putting a fitting. So there's no fitting there. There's no 90 fitting there. You don't have to tape a fitting. One piece. You connect to the vented cleanout, one piece, and then it goes under the concrete, comes out from underneath the concrete. Then they went ahead and they used a 3 to 4-inch reducer to a Y, to a 4-inch Y. We're on a 4-inch main at that point. Another inline catch basin to catch all the sediment. You can see they did a great job of putting pea stone under the catch basin. Just textbook. A beautiful job by an experienced crew. Now we're on a 4-inch main. We got 3 downspouts in a 4-inch line. We have to cut the sprinkler system. We have no choice. And then we have to go up and over our pipe once it's in place and we get our slope and everything correct. We do a really good job of mending sprinkler systems, but when you can get around cutting all the mains, just some advice from somebody who's been doing this for years. If you don't have to cut those main lines, don't do it, guys. Of course, we got our pop-up that you can get your hand down in. It's the only serviceable pop-up there is. Turf restrictor plate. Of course, there's pea stone under that too. Just a beautiful job. What a nice job.
Perfect execution to this install.
True professionals.
Everything that you see in this installation snapped together quick and fast. Our quick connect inline catch basin, our vented clean out leaf filter, our pop-up emitter. All extremely easy to use, DIY friendly. Time is money, contractors. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.